In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a high converting funnel for marketing agency to book more appointment. So my name is Van and I'm a funnel builder, and I'm going to show you the psychology and the concept, the framework about the funnels, so you will know how to build a funnel to convert more lead into sales or get more clients or appointment. Okay, so for marketing agency funnel or any type of funnel, the most important thing is the first session, the head session. Okay, the head session, which is the headline, which talk about who do you serve and what's the result you're gonna help them to generate, which is a elevator pitch, which is a one sentences to summarize your offer. Okay, I would suggest you also put your hero image. Okay, because people connecting with people. If you have the human face, people will know it's a real human. It's not a scam or this kind of thing. If you have a presentation about the video, you can also put it on here. Okay, now this you can put a sub headline or a paragraph to amplify your headline. Okay, so maybe without something, their pain point, their problems, this type of stuff. And next session is about address their pain point. Okay, because no one will do something without interest. How to make your visitors or audience get interest is address their pain point. They will know, oh, this guy know my problems. Okay, so address maybe 3 to 5 pain points. Okay, will be enough. And the next session will be introduce your offer. Okay, how you can solve their problems. Okay, what's the benefits about your offers? Okay, so for this example is Facebook ads. What's the benefits? Or more profits, scale your business, grow your team, this type of stuff. And the next part would be your personalized how to say this, personalized message. The purpose of the message is talk about why you are different, because a lot of people are running marketing agency. Why you are different? Okay, everybody running Facebook ads have Facebook ad marketing agency. Why you are different? You can talk about this on this part. Okay, and this next session is to is a filter to filter out some of the unqualified people. Okay, if you stress out about have a core, which is a people you don't want to serve, you should put something like this on your funnel. So who is for, who is not for, put some statement. Or maybe their revenue is too low, so you don't want to work with them because they don't have the budget for your services, this type of thing. Okay, now this is the tricky part. Okay, because who is this for, you can also put some vision on there, because you also sell the future. Okay, gym owner who are already dominate on their market. That means you're gonna help them to dominate on their market. Okay, which is really tricky part. You can put some, it's kind of like features to benefits. Okay, you know what I mean. And next part is show up yourself. Talk about your story. Why you create this company or this offer, why it's so different, how you can solve them. Talk about the story. because facts tell, stories sell. Story is how to make your offer different is by story, because anybody can sell the same thing, but how to stand out is by the story, because I can copy somebody's offer, their product, but I can't copy their stories. Okay, so it's really important to talk about the story. And obviously, it's call to action is book a call for marketing agency. You can put a calendar or other software to book a call. So the button will be scroll down to this section. Now you can separate the book a call session to the other page. So your Facebook pixel can be separate for the segment, for maybe better tracking this stuff. It's fine, okay? Just do what you want, okay? So basically, this is the section about marketing agency funnel. I hope you will find some value. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have more future video about different types of funnel. If you are interested, subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comment section what's your biggest takeaway about this video. And I see you in the next video.